You hope you're doing good. And it's your boy to the BLE double S. Too blessed, that's what they call me. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can start making from $75 to about $200 online designing graphics. Graphics is what we're going to be talking about today. How you can design these graphics. And okay, you might be saying, okay, Tigledge, I don't have a skill of designing graphics, so how am I going to make money online? I'm going to be showing you where you can get this graphic designed for you for a cheaper price. For about $5 to $10, you can get this graphic design for you, and I'll show you where you can sell these graphics for about 75 to $200 of the graphic that you get for less than $10 for $5 or $10. And also I'm going to be showing you my big bonus. And guys, if you have any question, here is my email down below here right now, tbless8liars@gmail.com. Email me and tell me, hey Tbless, I want to get your bonus, and I will get it down to you. So guys, let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Here is the site where you are going to be. Here is the website where you're going to come to this website right now and sign up on this website. And this website name is called Squad Help. This website name is called Squad Help. Don't mind me, man. I'm just kidding. This website is called Squad Help. See the name right here. Type it on your browser right now. Type this name Squad Help on your browser right now. Register on this website, and you see, and they'll give you some contents that is available. You take the contents, you win the contest. Look at the job that they have. This is one of the jobs they have on this website. You help business owner come up with a name like these people are, like these people are, like these people that you see here right now. These are the names that these people have come up with, and they've earned from 200 to 500 from coming up with this name. Guys, look at how simple. And this name, you don't even have to come up with anything. Just go to Google and just type in business name in clothing line in beauty world, and Google will just generate name for you. You put those names together and you come and sell it here for 200 to $500, man. Guys, it's as simple as that. Another thing is tagline and slogan. This is what they call tagline and slogan. You see these people here right now. It's a brand name for a fashion or clothing. This is what they call tagline. You come up with this site, guys. You also make cool cash from this website. This website that I show you. And another thing, if you've not seen my video on logo design, go check out, subscribe to my channel, and find the video on how to design the logo. And you don't have to design the logo by yourself. Like I said, you go and get this logo. I show you a place in that video where you can get this logo design for $5. Come to this website and come sell it for 100 to $250. So guys, register on this website. See, this website is not a joke. It's a popular website. See, Forbes is on the website, TNW is on the website, Matchable. They're working with this website. So this website is legit. It's legit, that's what I want to say. This website is legit, it's not a joking website. So guys, you come to this website, as I said, come and register on this website. And when you register on this website, then they'll show you the things that you have to do, and you get down to business. And guys, here are people who are making money from this website just designing. So this one is brochure. You design a brochure. This one, look at somebody here design this t-shirt, and the person sold it for $250. Here is another person. This one designed a brochure. This is what this guy designed, and he sold it for $150. Here is another person. This one designed a front page for like an online page, and also and it's selling for $300. Guys, man, this is where you can start making money from right now. And this is what this guy designed, and it's sold it for $500. See, and all these things that I'm showing you right now, you don't even have to design them yourself. Look at how simple this thing. Just give them to graphic design. This is a landing page for a website. Graphic design, I'll show you where you can get all these things for a cheaper price, and you bring them here and you start selling them for big cash. Look at this one is also a close. Look at how cheap, look at how cool this is. You can get this one on the side I'm going to show you right now, and you sell it for $150. This one is another one. This one is the more template, email template. You see, this one is another one, email template. You guys sold it for 150. So guys, let's go to a site where you can get this thing for cheaper price. So here is Fiverr, Fiverr.com. You come to Fiverr right now and you type. Look at this one is really good. I did recently. You come to Fiverr and you come to graphics and design. This is graphics and design, and they will bring graphics guy for you. People who can help you design all those things. You see, the one I did last is, see, these are graphic design. They design graphics for you for less than, I don't want to sign up now. You design graphics for you for less than $5. You take the graphics to, okay, let's just say graphic design. Graphic, let's just use graphic. Let me show you how cheap these graphics are on this website. Graphic design, so graphic design. You come here, graphics design. You come here, you can choose depending on the job that you want. If it's logo design, if it's flyer design like this one that is holding right now, you can get all these things very cheap. Look at $20, $25. Of course, you don't have to go with those ones. These ones are the higher guys. The young one that just came on, those ones are more cheaper. And how you can get those ones? These ones are bestseller. That's why their prices are higher right here. You can go to the newest arrival. Then go those ones price will be more cheaper right here. So it's loading right now, and when you're using $5, $10 because these guys are new and they are also good, but because they want points, and that's why they're selling $5. This one is starting. You don't have to go with that one. This one is $10, $15. So guys, come on this website right here right now on Fiverr, and go to design and go to graphic design and find these guys to help you design this for $5 or $10, and come to this website called Squadwork to come and sell this design for $150 or $200. And so another site where you can get this cheaper is Micro Worker. Come to Micro Worker, register on this Micro Worker, and find people, graphic designer that can help you. These ones are even cheaper than the Fiverr here. This one can help you design for $5. Their own price here is very cheap, and they can help you design for $5. And you can take that to this website and go and sell it. So guys, here is my bonus. As I promised, this is my bonus I want to give you. Here is a list of 50 topics of these 1000 courses. These are the topics that you have on here. This is my account right here. This is my courses right here, and these are some of the courses I have. Let me keep all my courses so you can see how many courses I have in my account. Look at me. Look at me. This is my name right now. If you're thinking, oh, maybe this is not my account, if you go to Facebook right now, type this name. This same picture is what you're gonna see on Facebook right now. My picture. This is my account, and this is my name. You see, this is me. If I have not changed this picture, this is what you see on Facebook right now. And that's my name. Type the name on Facebook, and it will bring it up for you to let you know that this is my account. And I have 1000 plus courses in my account. Look at here, right here. I have 1153 courses in my account, and that's what I'm giving you right now. If you reach out to me in my email, reach out to me in my email that I drop here right now on this email, and tell me and say, Tubeless, you want my bonus, and I'll get this bonus for you. This 1000 plus within the course. These courses are courses that are sold. Some of them are sold for $100. Some of each one of these courses, and you can go and type in any topic, any topic that you see here listed here. All of them, any topic that I'm showing down here right now, all of them are in this hidden course that you're gonna get from me. So guys, thank you for this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment below this video so you can get my updates, so you can get updates on any video that I release very soon. And I really appreciate your comments. Your comment is so important. You're liking this video, you sharing this video with your friends and all of this, and share it on all your social media platform, and guys are gonna watch them, they're gonna like them, and they're gonna appreciate you for sharing this video with them. So guys, thank you so much, and don't forget to connect with me on Facebook. I'm gonna drop the link to some of these things below this video. So click the link and